Good evening, everybody. This is Target Technical Analysis. We just want to give comment about the market for the week that has just ended and what is our expectation for the new week. The week was a very good one, fairly okay. The all-share index ended up being on the positive side by 0.83%. Also, looking at the sectorial analysis or the various performance of the indices, we can see that the NGX growth index was the best performer, followed by the insurance sector, with the consumer goods index coming third. The effect of this is that we can see good opportunity in the insurance stocks and then the growth stocks plus some of the consumer index stocks. But of particular interest to us is the performance of the small cap stocks. The small cap stock did exceptionally well in the last few days, and looking at the opportunity that can be present in that environment, although the risk is high, I believe we should be part of it. What we can just do is to allocate a small part of our capital for playing the small cap stocks. Why am I in a position to advise you when it comes to investing in small caps? My experience in the market generally, and the fact that I also trade or participate actively in the global market, put me in a position to be able to comment yeah, about the small cap stocks. If you look at the US stock exchange side of Naira land, previously the forum was very active, but unfortunately, just like we are seeing in Isempa, people are now, they were pursuing the wrong thing. Everything that is not the right principle of investing were being followed by people. I don't know whether it was Warren Buffett that said it, that you are seeing old, something like, you are seeing old good traders, but you have not seen old greedy traders. Something like, there are some risks we just have to let go. And investing in small caps, we know it should be for the short term. It should be for the short term because these companies may not have the strength to be able to sustain long term performance. And also, why many of us will have been afraid is that these are companies that has not been performing in the past. Yes, I was in that kind of position recently, but I had to go back and look at the fundamentals, the recent result. And when I saw the recent result, I was really surprised. So I can say that although for the short term we can accept that they are improving, like I saw a stock like RT Briscoe is coming up heavily. Before, I don't want to touch a stock like Caverton or CI Leasing. But if you look at their recent results, just like Caverton, that I thought CI Leasing should be better than Caverton, looking at recent Caverton result is extraordinary. But apart from figures, in investing there are some other things you also follow. You don't just follow the figures blindly. Just like somebody said, that if the market depends on fundamental analysis alone, professors will have been the richest person in the market, but it's not so. But this is not so. So what we are going to look at is, we focus on those ones that are strong fundamentally. For the small cap stock, we focus on those that are strong fundamentally. And what I've done is I've divided them into two categories. There are those that I will never touch. It's either their fundamental is not good, or they have confirmed that they are raising capital recently, like the likes of Japol, Triple G, Omatech, even FTN cocoa processors, and so on. The list is in our main message, which I'm sure everybody will have. Then for Monday, our plan is that among those ones that are fundamentally okay, we're going to invest in them. We're going to look out for them specifically, especially for the insurance stock. Some insurance stock, I've pointed out one we're buying. And also, I'm happy about this development because in the forum, there is a particular stock with a strong fundamental that we discuss, and that stock is paying dividend. The price is so low. For that one, I have no iota of doubt in my mind that it will perform. So even if anything happen, I know the worst that will happen is I recover back my cost with zero gain. So no problem. So but for Monday, when the market open, among the small cap stocks, we will look out for Alti Briscoe. Then in the normal stock side, we will look out for UCAP. So for the members that have the full message, I know we have more list of stock that we can choose from apart from this one we have seen, we have talked about. So I thank you all. And then if you want to join our caucus, the caucus is not free. Don't let me deceive you. That's why recently I've not been I've not been replying people. I'm very sorry. It's not that we are proud, but what happened is the materials we are using, they are basically for our own personal use. Even some of the members can confirm that when the subscriptions are due, I may not ask in time, I may forget. Well, it's not that I've really forgotten because I'm so focused on the market, and my own money too is at risk in the market, and my money cannot be that kind of subscription we are talking about. That kind of subscription is just to enable us to buy, to cater for our internet subscription and for some other small things that we need to keep our research going. So if you want to join the caucus, you can see the WhatsApp number there. Make enquiry and we will reply you. And what I'll tell you the cost. The cost is just like what you pay for a plate of food in a standard fast food restaurant for a normal individual. You know what that would be. And that's the price we've been charging for like over 5 years for those who have been following us up before. So I thank you all, and our messages will be coming in audio form and in messages like we used to do before. So I thank you all. Please like this message, help us pass it to your friend so that they can come and learn about the market from somebody who is not a motivational speaker, from somebody who really knows what he's doing and will give you the best of stock selection. So thank you. Until another time, God be with you. Amen. Bye.